Kriya every day. Kunjal Kriya is a powerful yogic cleansing technique for most healthy people. It is not intended to be a daily practice. The ideal frequency depends on your individual needs and should be learned under the guidance of an experienced yoga teacher. Are you practicing Kunjal Kriya? Then stop a moment. Even one small mistake can make this traditional cleansing practice uncomfortable or even unsafe. Today, I will share 5 common mistakes people make during Kunjal Kriya and how to avoid them. Traditionally, Kunjal Kriya is performed with lukewarm salt water. Plain water may be absorbed by the stomach more readily, while lukewarm salt water is generally more comfortable for this cleansing practice. Water that is too hot can irritate the throat and stomach, while cooled water may cause discomfort or cramping. So, always use lukewarm water with the appropriate amount of salt. The second mistake is inserting the fingers too forcefully into the throat. Some people use long fingernails or push too aggressively, which may irritate the throat. Always trim your nails and gently stimulate the back of the tongue. Never force the process. The third mistake is drinking the water too slowly. Traditionally, the water is consumed steadily until the stomach feels comfortably full. The fourth mistake is doing Kunjal Kriya every day. Kunjal Kriya is a powerful yogic cleansing technique for most healthy people. It is not intended to be a daily practice. The ideal frequency depends on your individual needs and should be learned under the guidance of an experienced yoga teacher. The fifth mistake is eating oily, spicy or heavy food immediately after the practice. After Kunjal Kriya, allow your digestive system a little time to settle. Traditionally, a light, warm meal such as plain khichdi or rice is recommended after some time. Avoid cold drinks and heavy meals immediately after the practice. Avoid this practice if you have uncontrolled high blood pressure, stomach ulcer, recent abdominal surgery, hernia, severe acid reflux, or if you are pregnant. Yoga is not about doing more. It's about doing it correctly and safely. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more authentic Hatha Yoga and traditional cleansing techniques. Thank you for watching. Namaste.